to my channel. I hope you're all well. As you can tell, because I'm outside and I'm in my yellow coat, this video is a car video. Ask you guys over on Instagram if you would like to see me do like a speed clean of my car. I have a Fiat 500. As you can see, you may already know that. If you haven't seen any of my previous car videos, I will link them down below in the description box. I've done a whole car tour and also like an organisation for small cars, how you can kind of get the most out of having a very small car like me. I have the Fiat. I will link those videos down below in the description box, so make sure to check those out. Today's video is a speed clean. My car has just kind of gone off the rails. It's very dirty at the minute. I'm kind of a bit embarrassed. Well, I'm not a bit embarrassed, I'm really embarrassed about the state of my car, and it is also going in the garage tomorrow to have a little bit of work done, nothing major, just a little thing. So I thought that today would be the best time to film this video. I needed to clean it anyway because I definitely don't want it to go into the garage in the state that it is in now, because it's really, really bad. I also picked up this from a pound store. I can't remember which one it was called, like 99p store, Pound Stretcher, one of those kind of stores, not Poundland, but I'm sure they have them there as well. And this is the Astonish Car Care Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Removes stains, neutralises odours. So fingers crossed this can help me with all the stains that are on my seats. My seats are kind of that material that messes with your mind a little bit and you can't really focus on the pattern. You'll see why when I show you me cleaning it, but it messes with my mind, and there were some smaller stains that I couldn't figure out were stains or were part of the pattern. There's a lot of stains in my car now, a lot in my back seats, a lot on the passenger. It's just everywhere. I'm not going to justify it, they're just everywhere. If you like this kind of video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below before you leave. See more videos from me. I'm uploading 3 times a week now on this channel, Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 5 PM, so make sure to stick around, see more videos from me. This is going to take me ages, so I'm going to crack on with cleaning my dirty car. Voila. So the first thing that I generally like to do when I clean my car is get myself a bin bag and bin everything that I do not need in my car, all the rubbish, all the empty packets, empty bottles, just anything that I don't want in my car. I've also got a sticker here from Centre Parks when I went there at Christmas, so it shows how long it's been since I've actually cleaned my car. Then I like to go onto the boot because I hate cleaning like the whole of my car and then remembering that I've got the boot to do. My boot was an absolute mess. There's Christmas wrapping paper in here, there's Christmas gifts in here, there's just so many things in here, so I just clean all of that out. I like to just wipe a little bit. There was a bit of mud and stuff in the back of my boot, so I'm just wiping that area down and then popping my organiser back into the boot of my car and sorting all that out. Then I'm going to use my cleaner. Fingers crossed this works. The stains in the back of my car are disgusting. It's all from spilt drinks and things like that. So yeah, I'm just going to rub this in and fingers crossed it works. And then just going to clean over the dashboard. This gets really, really dusty, and as it's black it's really hard to quite see the dust, so yeah, I'm just cleaning all of that and all of the front of my car. I just use a little bit of spray to do this and a damp cloth. I don't like anything too wet around like the buttons and stuff, so I just use a damp cloth and some nice spray. I'm also just sorting out my little organisers for my car that had again got really, really dusty and had little bits stuck down the sides. And then I like to just clean around my steering wheel because it can get a little bit grubby at times, so that's just what I'm doing there. And that is pretty much my car cleaned. The only thing that is left to do is I would normally hoover like the what they're called, footwells in my car. My hoover is currently at my office, so I can't do that for now, but I hope that you have liked it. If you do like this kind of video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below before you leave. Leave any video suggestions down below in the comment section. I think the stain remover has done like an okay job. To the eye it looks fine, but on camera it looks worse than what it is. It just sort of picks up like the darker colours. So I think I'm just going to keep going with that stain remover. It seems to have done quite well. I mean, for £1 I had to try it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all very soon for another video.